Hey, queens and kings, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning, and welcome to all our new queens and kings that have joined the castle. In today's video, I have two simple, affordable Dollar Tree DIYs where I'm creating here these glamorous chain link with faux chain and these beautiful tapered candle holders. If you all would like to see how I created each one, why don't you all please continue to watch. All right, queens and kings, so the first thing first, for the first DIY here, we're basically going to use these Dollar Tree round floor these Dollar Tree round floor phones. That's what it is, child. Try to say that so fast, but yeah, as you all can see, one of them is broken though, but it's not gonna stop my shine. That my 5-year-old did that, but he's just being a kid. But I'm gonna also use this not Dollar Tree, baby, Walmart spray paint. I'm using these fillers here, which I'm not gonna use the dark purple round ones there. I'm not gonna need those, but the one here, the lavender ones or whatever, those are from Michael's. I'm just gonna need just this one pack, so that's the reason why I have the other one, because I thought I was gonna need 2 packs and I was gonna try to crush it up, but that was gonna be too much work. But anywho, so moving on, I took them outside and I spray painted them purple, as you can see, and I have already started doing one of the links of the foam. So therefore now I'm trying to connect the other one, which I felt like at this point here I thought I was gonna break it again because it was so stiff, but whew, you see I did it. We made it through. it. So now here I'm taking some hot glue to connect that one part of the link where it was actually broken at, to make sure it's secure and everything else. So moving on from that, we're gonna start try to basically, I have the idea of how I want my links to lay. So therefore now I'm trying to connect them together, and I am using Gorilla Glue Stick from Walmart. I love this glue. It holds up very well. I really do like it. So once I get those all informed and placing everything, I'm going to start placing hot glue on just one side of the links. The reason I'm not going to do both sides from the inspiration video that I seen is because I have a lot of glass decor, a lot of mirror decor. Yeah, I know I'm glamorous. So therefore, I don't want to scratch up my surface, because these fillers here is basically broken glass or whatever, stuff like that. So it's another name they call it, but I can't think of it right now. But I don't want to scratch up any of my surface, so therefore I'm not gonna put it all the way around the links. Oh my God, get it together, Valerie. So as you see, like I said, I'm just gonna place hot glue down, and I'm just gonna sprinkle that on there, girl, like we just coating a cake or something, whatever. I do pat it in from time to time. Yes, I have burnt my finger a couple times, but it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad enough. So you know, you work with this hot glue pretty much a long time, you know where to, know how long you can keep your fingertips on there, how long you really can't. So yeah, but more of the crushed glass, that's what it called, was actually protecting me more when it came down to the hot glue. So like I said, I'm going to continue doing this all the way around, but not on the back of the links. And yeah. Okay, so for this portion here, for this side here, I decided to go get some toothpicks to connect the links together. So when I try to flip it over, because I don't want the entire styrofoam showing or anything like that, I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to try to fill in some of the size of the links as well. But I was use some everything, try to press it down, because I just felt like I was going to just accidentally and press that toothpick through my finger, as in my fingernail. You know how you feel, you get something up under your finger? Oh my God, I was just too scared. So I was using everything to basically try to put pressure on it. So I advise you all to do the same thing too. I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else tell me what to do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is on one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. All right, Queens and Kings, so here it is for my Glamorous links. Y'all know I have to be extra with the glam because I got to represent for us glam queens and kings. You know, I got to come through. Somebody got to do it. Hey, but I really do like how this crushed glass look on here. I love the way how the light look, you know, shine on it, and every now and then you get that little pop, a little sparkle just pop up in your eyes here. You know, I really do like it. I like the way that it turned out. I do wish I could have did the whole entire side, but when I thought about it and it have more of like this little drip effect and everything going, I was like, this is cute. It's giving what it's supposed to give. So it works out for me, and it's big enough to go on my Tom Ford book. So I was like, yeah, okay, then we can get jiggy with this here. So what do you Queens and Kings think? Now, you know you can do this with everything because, like I said, the inspiration video that really gave me this idea to go for it and do it, the queen had rocks. She used Dollar Tree rocks, but she did it over the whole entire styrofoam. But once again, she got her styrofoam from Amazon, which I'll try linking that down below too if you want something a little bit smaller. But I didn't need that many, so that's why I went with Dollar Trees on. Now, moving on to the last and final one. This here is simple and easy and in effect. Like this here, I'm using Dollar Tree item. This is a mimosa glass here, and I'm using a candle holder that I think I got from Walmart for 99 cents or something like that. I'm not even sure where I'm using a lot of stuff that's in my stash. I'm trying to be creative. I'm trying to go off you guys comments that you left on the last video, and I want to say thank you guys so much for me to be gone for so long. You guys came back and showed so much love, so I truly appreciate you guys and appreciate what you all are doing to help me out over here. So thank you. So now that I have connected them all together with hot glue, you can use adhesive glue, but I really don't think these gonna come apart. You really have to pull it apart because, like I said, that hot glue worked wonders. So basically I'm doing the same method. I'm applying hot glue, and I'm gonna just dazzle with some crushed glass. That's pretty much all and simple and easy for this one here. All right, so this is it, Queens and Kings, for this video. Pretty much this is how the taper candles look. I love the way that they look, even better with the crushed glass on the top, because I was going between the two. Should I just put the crushed glass around it and don't put none up to the top? But I like how that look. It just looked like a stone. And then I really also wanted to do this idea because if you guys see my agate crystal there, like that is popping right now. I don't know, the crystal look is pretty much is popping. They trying to represent us glam queens and kings. That's probably what it is though. But yeah, that gave me the idea of doing the purple. I will say that. So I hope you queens and kings enjoy these simple, affordable home decor DIYs, tabletop room decor inspiration that I am trying to push out to you guys, because I'm trying to get back into my little groove, you know, do fly stuff over here like we do. But I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this video. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe as well, and start following me on some of my social media networks. I don't put too much to plug them in, but you can follow me at Instagram at Queen Val Living over there, and follow me on TikTok because I'm over there trying to do a little something, and I'm Queen Valerie over there. I will link all of my social media down below there. I would like for you guys to follow me, and if you do follow me, let me know that you are here from YouTube or something like that, so therefore I can show some love and follow you back. Okay, so with that being said, queens and kings, I will talk to you all in the next video. You guys continue to be what? Royal, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye. Love you. Now you're the one I'm thinking of.